Good evening, traders from across the globe, and welcome to the 1185th edition of Short-Term Trading Live with Oscar Carboni, and of course that would be me. Good evening, traders. This video, the 1185th installment of these educational videos, is being filmed on Wednesday night for trading Thursday, that's June 5th, 2014. Before I get into what's on the board, let me just remind you that futures trading can be extremely risky and can cause substantial financial loss. Futures trading is not suitable for all trading accounts. All right, traders, so what's on the board? Green Omni right off the bat. Everybody applaud for the Green Omni right off the bat. Beautiful, you gotta love it. Solid looking green. We've got a few things on the board. One, indices are breaking out on weekly charts. You're going to love the series of charts I'm about to show you. Two, Tesla is still eroding with the market going up. Tesla's still going down. Omni's been shorted for 3 days. Looking like it's going to go down again on Thursday. Gold. Gold remains under pressure. I've been showing you the gold for weeks now, how bearish it's been looking. Omni's been selling it. Gold remains under pressure. And the Russell of the indices that are going gangbusters to the upside now, the Russell is extremely laggard right now. Very, very, very lagging market. It's lagging badly, if you will. That's what's on the board. So those are the topics I'd like to discuss with you in tonight's chart segment. If you like these videos, please don't forget to subscribe to my YouTube videos right here. Just subscribe so that you will get an email each and every time I produce another one of these nightly videos. So, I'm going to show you charts in just a moment that will show you the indices on weeklies, and I think you're going to like them very much. Again, laggards right here. NASDAQ, Russell. NASDAQ's lagging, but not like Russell is. So these two are lagging big time, and DAX is blowing up, and ES is blowing up, and Tranny's blowing up. Now the Dow has joined the party. So indices looking good. These guys need to catch up, and I think they will. The chart segment will certainly be about that. Now, traders, I'm going to take you into a chart segment in about a moment. Remember, if you like what you see, come on down to livewithoscar.com. Come to my free chat room. I've got a free trading room. Don't trade alone. Come join the ever-growing army of Omniacs that huddle together in my trading room trying to figure these markets out. We work together as a team with the Omni to try to figure out what's going to happen next. The room is free. I'll see you there. Traders, with no further ado, let's go look at some charts. Traders, the first chart I'm going to show you this evening is a weekly chart. In fact, just about every chart you will see this evening is a weekly. So this is a slightly longer term view, but we will be using this view to trade on Thursday. So, DAX weekly breaking out. This was previous highs. This is a wonderful channel we've been in for a long time. It flirted with previous highs, right? It made them. It came up and flirted again, and then flirted again in one more day. Finally, we are above 2 weeks. These are weekly bars now, right? So one more week, not one more day. 2 weeks above these highs. You got to love the breakout that we're seeing in the DAX. Then we move to the next chart. Look at the Dow Jones Transportation Average. The DAX is the leader out of Europe. The Transportation Average is the leader in the United States. Look at that breakout. This was previous highs. Look at the run-up. That looks fantastic right there. So you've got the Transportation Average absolutely breaking out on the weekly. Then you've got the Dow Jones Industrial Average on the weekly. It's just now getting above very smartly, but it is absolutely staying above. Remember, these are weeklies. Each bar is a whole week's worth of trading. You've got 2 weeks now, or a week and a couple of days, above the previous highs. Then you've got the emini S&P. Look at that really nice break above. It broke out, breaks above. Now it's here, 2 weeks above. So, my question is, what is this guy waiting for, and when is he coming? The NASDAQ is absolutely next. It's trailing, it's lagging, and it needs to move higher. The breakout comes in the NASDAQ. I think you will find that. And then you've got the Russell. Talk about a laggard. Look at this thing lagging behind. Everything else I showed you, even including the NASDAQ, which is lagging, is all the way up by its previous highs. Look at how far down we are in the Russell from previous highs. This, if anything is lagging, that one sure is. but it looks like NASDAQ will probably do the breakout on Thursday. Then you've got gold traders. Look at this gold chart. Weekly gold. Every chart I'm going to show you is a weekly. This has been going on for quite some time. Remember, we had the massive run up and all the bulls went crazy. We just about hit 2,000 and everybody thought gold was going to $1 million and they all went nuts, right? Right about here, Omni started calling for the top. When we got here, Omni made the top official call. We've dropped a lot since in the last year. Omni has been selling a lot of this stuff right here. We expect even lower. The first death knell came when the weekly got below the 200-ball moving average. The second one came when the weekly crossed, or the 200-ball moving average crossed with my OTAPMA on the weekly chart. Second death knell. We expect gold to continue lower this year. Traders, that is the longer-term view, but we will be using this view to trade short-term on Thursday this week. Pull your own charts, do your own homework. I'll see you at livewithoscar.com. So, traders, you've seen the charts. There's the technical argument for the green omni, and I love green omni. We love to clap for those green omnis, don't we? I think this thing is going to rock and roll towards the upside Thursday and Friday. In fact, if I'm wrong, you know, Diamond Jack, remember Uncle Jack from the video series from over the last couple of years? Well, he happens to be in Vegas right now, as you can hear. And I think he's going to take care of me if we don't have a good update tomorrow. So we're hoping for the upside so I don't get in trouble by Jack. And the analysis says we're going to have some upside. So I think we follow the Omni. We look for upside. Traders, if you like the Tesla call this week, come on down to livewithoscar.com. We offer stock recommendations. There are two sites to choose from. Commodity site, stock site. We give stock recommendations and commodity recommendations. Come on down if you're either or. Come to livewithoscar.com and grab your recommendations. All right, I will see you at the site. Always remember, keep your emotions out of trading. One of the best things you can do to help yourselves with keeping your emotions at bay, and it is extremely important when you're playing this risky game. And you know what that is. Stops are in. Emotions are out. Rock and roll, traders. Video 1185, and I will see you on the upside. Futures trading is risky and can cause substantial financial loss. We do not claim or guarantee that you will profit from the information provided.